Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see more videos, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button or that bell button to receive updates whenever I upload a brand new video. Now the tutorial that I'm sharing with you guys today is a no tools and equipment flower tutorial. It makes the most prettiest flower and you don't need any specific kinds of petal cutters or any veiners or templates of any kind. So let's quickly get started. So for this tutorial, as I mentioned earlier, you don't need any specific kind of tools and equipment or any major tools and equipment. You just need a rolling pin, some icing, a pair of scissors, sharp scissors, a knife and a mini knife tool as well. So what we're first going to do is get some icing. You can use any colour of your choice. And we're just going to roll this into a round shape. And you don't need to roll it very thin either. Once it's more or less round, we're going to do another piece, but that's going to be slightly bigger and it's also going to be slightly more thinner than this one. So you need 2 round pieces of icing. And this one can be rolled a little bit thinner than the bottom piece. You're probably wondering why it needs to be bigger, but I'll show you in just a minute. So once you've rolled your 2 pieces of icing, we're now gonna get another coloured icing. I'm gonna use a nice sort of orangey colour, which I've already rolled it into a bowl. So you need to get some icing and roll it into a bowl. And then we just place it in the centre of our small rolled out piece of icing. And then we just pop the other one on top and just roll it in so it's stuck to the bowl. And then you just want to push it in as well. So pretend you're icing a cake. But we don't want to use any tools here. We're just pushing it in with our fingers, taking out all the creases. Exactly how you would do when fondanting your cake. So just keep pushing it in with your finger. And you can either use a knife for the next bit or you could use a pizza cutter, because we just need to cut out the top icing. So use the bottom piece as a template and just cut out the top. And if you feel your bowl is not in the center, you can just cut out any extra fondant on the outside just to make it as if it's in the middle. So even if this bit goes smaller, it doesn't really matter. Then with your knife, we're just gonna make little cuts. Now we're not gonna go too close to the middle. We just want to cut 1/2 centimeter away from the center, and then just cut that there. And I'm not measuring this bit, so just cut straight however many pieces of icing you can get with this. So it doesn't matter if it's not perfect. And I'm just gonna dust it with some corn flour. And then just keep going until you've done all of them. Just keep going and keep cutting. Just like so. And then with your knife tool, your mini knife tool, we're just gonna create an indentation, just a small one. We're not gonna cut all the way through. And then we're just gonna make some lines in there, like so. And we're going to do that for all of them as well. And then once you've done that, all we're going to do is we're going to get one little piece. Just want to make sure they are cut once again. So just go over them if you need to. And we're just going to get them from both sides. And we're just going to give them a bit of a pinch. Just like so. So if I just bring my tracks here. So both sides, and just give them a pinch. Both sides. And then a pinch. And yes, this will be thick, so don't worry about that. And for the next part, you'll need a pair of scissors. And all we're going to do is we're going to get our scissors and we're just going to start cutting it to release the colour from underneath. And you want to keep going all the way around. And you don't want to do too small cuts. You want to do them reasonably sized so you can actually tell that they have been cut. If you do them too close together or too small, they will just look a mishmash. So you want to do them reasonably sized. And then using your fingers or a tool, just open them up ever so slightly. And you want to keep going until you've got all the ball cut, just like that. And just very carefully, I'm going to lift this up and show you just how beautiful that looks. And I also did another one off camera in a different colour. And I'm just going to pull that away from the tin. I had it in there to let it dry, but just look how that's a bit smaller than that, but just look how beautiful they look. And imagine a cake full of these beauties. Very elegant and very simple and quick to make as well. Didn't I say it was really pretty and you don't need any equipment? So there we have it. I'm just going to very carefully lift it up again and just show you what it looks like. There we go. Look how beautiful that looks. And imagine having a cake full of these pretties. Definitely an eye catcher. And then I would just leave it to dry in this tin, so it's got a bit of a cup shape to it. And there we have it, guys, our really quick, simple and very pretty flower to make with minimum effort and minimum tools as well. Do try this out, guys. I'm definitely sure you guys will love it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done so. Don't forget to hit that bell icon either, otherwise you won't receive any updates whenever I upload a new video especially. So if you want to receive notifications, then you want to hit that subscribe button and you also want to hit that bell button. Don't forget to like, comment and share my videos as well. Do try making this flower. Let me know what you think of it and how you found making it. And I'll be back next time with another new video very soon. Take care of yourselves. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching and happy flower making.